Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious 7-layer bean dip. Start with the refried beans as your foundational layer. Spread 1 16-ounce can of refried beans evenly across the bottom of your chosen dish. This creates a sturdy and flavorful base for the remaining 6 delicious layers. Make sure to get it right to the edges for a consistent dip experience. Next, we'll add the creamy layers. First, combine 1 cup of sour cream with 1 packet of taco seasoning, then spread it smoothly over the refried beans. This adds a zesty kick. Follow that with a generous layer of freshly made guacamole using about 2 ripe avocados. Spread it gently to avoid mixing with the sour cream. Now for the cheesy and fresh vegetable layers. Evenly sprinkle 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese over the guacamole. This adds a delightful texture and savory taste. Then, dice 2 ripe tomatoes and spread them as your 5th layer, adding freshness. Finally, slice about 1/2 cup of black olives and scatter them over the tomatoes for a briny finish. For the grand finale, sprinkle 1/4 cup of freshly chopped green onions over the top. This adds a vibrant color and a mild onion flavor. Cover the dip and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve your amazing 7-layer bean dip with your favorite tortilla chips or fresh vegetables.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.